Hi guys, today I'm using one of the recipe books from Riverford Organic. So first, peel and finely dice the onion. Second step, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large frying pan. Fry the pork until it's browned slightly. Transfer to a plate. So I forgot that transfer to a plate step. So I added the onion, which is step 3, into the pan with the pork. So I cooked both of them and then I follow up the rest of the recipe. So gently fry for 10 minutes, stirring now and then. Add a splash of water if it looks like catching. At these steps, I didn't need the splash of water. I had water coming out of the pork, so I didn't feel like adding any kind of water. Peel and finally chop the garlic, so I use my garlic smash thingy, into the onion. Stir the garlic, fennel seeds and some chili flakes to your taste for it. So I pour all of the spices in it, and it wasn't a lot. Then add the pork back to the pan, add the wine and increase the heat. Add the tinned tomatoes and bay. Season. Lower the heat. Simmer for 25 minutes, stirring now and then. Break each lasagne sheet into rough jagged edged pieces, approximately 3-4 per sheet. I usually like break them into like 5 or 6 but anyway. large saucepan of well salted water onto boil. Once the pork has simmered for 25 minutes, add the cream. That cream was such a great quality, like the texture of it was amazing. Continue to simmer for approximately 10 minutes. Meanwhile, boil the lasagne until just tender. Stir now and then to prevent it from sticking. Drain, reserving a little of the cooking water. I didn't do that, and I didn't need to use the cooking water of the lasagne. Handful by handful, stir the spinach into the pork until wilted. Gently mix in the lasagne and nutmeg. Add a splash of pasta water if needed to loosen the sauce, so this part I didn't need to do. Check the seasoning. So I will definitely recommend to order those kind of boxes, because it's always a nice way to find new ways to cook your veg and your meat. Serve sprinkled with parmesan, and that's it, guys. It was delicious. I had enough to do 2 meal prep. I definitely want to keep it, and also it's just giving me ideas for different iterations of it. It could be like I change the meat. It's a nice way of having like a lasagne without having to put anything to bake into the oven. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope to see you in my channel soon. Bye!
Got my girls, they all have my back. Living life to the fullest, I just gotta say, yeah. All to be